Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Leeor Alexandra. Welcome to the baby elephant community. This is the greatest community on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and become a baby Ellie. On this channel, we talk about the law of attraction, self-development, self-growth, and all that good stuff. And on Mondays, happy Monday by the way, on Mondays I like to share law of attraction success stories so that we can get everybody's vibes up for manifesting the lives of our dreams for the rest of the week. And then you guys go and hit the comments, you tell me something good, you tell me about things that you've manifested. We add to the positive consciousness of the world and we just create so much happiness, so much joy and love in this world, and we receive it right back. So many of you know that I've been spending a lot of time with my family lately. I was supposed to take a break, but this is kind of my sanity, so I needed to do it. I needed to make some videos for this week. But I was talking to my brother and he told me about how he manifested Nikki, his girlfriend of over 5 years now. It's been, I think, almost 6 years. She's part of the family. She's like my sister. And I think that I knew that he manifested her before and he always made comments, but I never really heard the whole story or like really paid attention to it, which bad sister on my part. But I'm glad that he told me the story this week because I get to share it with you guys now. So if you're an avid watcher, you may have heard my story before about how when I was younger and I went to Jerusalem, my parents told me, you know, I can write something on a little piece of paper and put it into the Wailing Wall and God will make it happen. So as the story goes, I told my parents that I wished for world peace, but in fact I had actually wished for a bike, and I put it into the wall. And I'll never forget that I kind of felt a little guilty, but I knew that I really wanted the bike. And to me, as however old I was, I feel like I was like 5 or 6, it just made sense to ask for a bike at the time. The next day, my grandparents, without knowing that I wanted a bike, no one knew that I wanted a bike, they just picked us up randomly and took me and my brothers to go buy brand new bikes. So you might remember that story, and the reason why I'm telling you this story is because my brother's story of how he manifested his girlfriend also takes place in the same place. It was when he was 16, I believe. He hadn't had a girlfriend yet, he wasn't dating, he wasn't hooking up with girls, nothing like that, and he went to Jerusalem. He visited Jerusalem, and he went to the Wailing Wall, and he actually wrote down that he wants health for his family, world peace, blah, 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 all the good stuff, all the stuff that you should wish for. And he put it in the wall, but as he was walking away, a rabbi stopped him and he goes, "Stop, go and write what you really want. Ask for what you really want." So my brother was like, how does he know that I just asked for general things? Okay, let me go ask for what I really want. He took another piece of paper and he detailed exactly what he wanted in a girl, from personality to looks to everything. The only things he'll tell you now that he forgot to talk about was her health and her height. And you'll understand when I say that not to ask for specific things, sometimes it's because of things like this, because, you know, the universe fills in the gaps. Not that I think it was a mistake. He got Nikki from this and she's amazing and perfect for him. So I think he did the right thing ultimately. But it's just crazy how you get exactly what you ask for. I want you to know, and the reason why I'm telling this story is because I feel like a lot of us lose hope if we don't receive something immediately. It took my brother Itai 3 years to meet Nikki, but when he met her, she was exactly what he wrote down. Like, it was shocking to him then, it's still shocking to him now. She was exactly this person. They are in love, they've been in love since then, and they've been going strong for over 5 years now. So what we can take away from this is, of course, Jerusalem is a very powerful place to go and ask for something. And that's because there's, you know, it's a hub for all these different religions. And the vibrations there are very, very high and very powerful. Whenever I go, I sob uncontrollably. As the closer I am to the Wailing Wall, the more I cry. And to be honest, I never put 2 and 2 together, Wailing Wall, and I just automatically cry. I really never thought about that, but that's what happens. I cry uncontrollably. And it's because you really feel the presence of something bigger than yourself there. You really, really feel it. Now, manifesting, when we raise our vibration and raise our frequency, it's like we're taking our own pilgrimage to our own holy spaces within ourselves. So when you raise your vibration, you're creating a safe space. You're creating a holy place around you where whatever you ask for and whatever you think about is going to come to you. So Itai wrote exactly what he wanted, you know, this brunette, pretty girl with a nice smile, whatever he wrote. I think he even said he wanted an accent or something, and she has an accent. I'm not sure exactly for the specifics, but basically he got exactly what he asked for. So to create your own sacred space, raise your vibration, increase your frequency, ask for what you desire, list it out, be specific if you'd like, and if not, then just sit in that holy place that you've created for yourself. Feel that happy vibration and know that when you're feeling that way, you are going to be provided with experiences that make you feel that way, people that make you feel that way, and just everything that is going to align to that vibration. So if you're at a vibration of happiness, other things that will continuously make you happy will be attracted to you. Now, the way that I tie manifested Nikki is super simple, basic law of attraction. It is what I do to manifest. I create my own little holy spaces, sacred spaces. And it's also what I built the Love Mastery program around. A very simple, basic, organized way to manifest love into your life. So if you need help manifesting more love into your life, be it self-love, love for others, love for the world, or romantic love, or even just a crush, if you want to go on a couple dates with somebody, if you want to start being asked out on dates all the time, that's what the Love Mastery program is there for. We have 600 satisfied students. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. So you have nothing to lose. So if you want to sign up, I'm putting a promo code in the description below for you guys. I hope that this manifestation success story raised your vibration. As always, make sure you hit the comments below and tell me something good. I need to hear it this week. I need good news this week. So I'm asking you to tell me something good, please. And hit the thumbs up button if you are saying yes to abundance, prosperity, happiness, and love this week. All this goodness is going to come to you. Thumbs up this video for all of that, to say yes, to affirm it. I love you. Thank you for watching. As always, keep your vibrations way, way, way up.